Hello, my name is Tiffany Robinson, and today I want to walk you through the My Disney Experience. This is a website as well as an app that can really help you manage all aspects of your Disney vacation. You are able to manage all of your friends and family and their plans. You're able to keep track of your hotel resort, all of your park tickets, any dining reservations that you have, as well as mobile orders, and your fast passes, which are going to be reservations to rides in the park. We'll talk a little bit more about that in a few moments. And this is really the site where you're able to manage that entire process of your vacation. One of the first things that you want to do in regards to a Disney vacation is you want to pick out your magic bands. Magic bands can really be used for just about everything on this vacation. It's going to be your park ticket. It's going to be what you utilize to get into those fast passes, so those reservations for those rides. It can be utilized as your credit card, even your room key. It's how you access the pool. It's how you would be able to access photos. So really everything that you're doing can be taken care of right from this magic band. And the really cool thing is that they're available in a lot of different colors and themes. So really there's something for everyone. Next, I want to talk about the dining. Dining is something that you are able to reserve 180 days in advance. So they do give you quite a bit of time to decide what you want to do in regards to dining. When using the My Disney Experience, you can play around with these different filters and you can find out if you wanted to pull up everything that was a character dining experience, or if you wanted to pull up everything that was accepted by a particular dining plan that you had signed up for. The system really lets you filter that down and find out what you're looking for, along with looking at menus and TripAdvisor reviews. It really lets you see everything about the different dining options that they have at Disney. And then you're able to keep track of all of those reservations right here in the system. The next thing that you want to do is you really want to make sure that you are getting those fast passes. So those important rides that you want to go on, you want to make sure that you have a fast pass for those rides. Everyone is given 3 fast passes per day. And then once you've utilized those 3 fast passes, you are then able to get more. You can go on to the app from the parks and you can see what other fast passes are available and continue to use them throughout the day. It is not uncommon that someone would be able to get 5 or 6 fast passes in a given day. Besides fast passes, you're also going to be able to reserve your hotel accommodations as well as any specifics that you have about that resort hotel. So what you would be able to do here is if there's a particular building that you wanted to stay in or you wanted to have a certain view, this is where you would come in the My Disney Experience to request that. And finally, what I would like to do is go ahead and show you what it looks like in the My Disney Experience app. The really cool thing about the app that you can utilize besides gathering those additional fast passes while you are there is that you can also take a look at the different wait times. So if you are at one park and thinking of going to another, you can quickly pull up the app, look at the ride that you're looking for. So here I'm looking at Dumbo the Flying Elephant and I see there's a 15-minute wait. So that's something that's really helpful in the app. Also in the app, you're able to create mobile orders. You can look at your photos. So I know myself, my kids love to see the pictures that we've taken on the different rides. And so as we're waiting in line for another ride, we're looking up our last photos. So the app is really something that's helpful while you're in the parks. I hope this is something that you utilize and take your vacation to the next step.